Welcome to the fourth session. In this session, we will be going to see some commands. I think there are some 25 commands in the Linux. It is the daily use, the commands we can use in our daily lives to operate Linux operating system. So I referred these commands from the Geeks for Geeks. I'll share that link with this video only. So we'll see the first command. This is very basic commands. There, there are some of 25 commands. This is the description of the command, and this is the command. First command is ls, which means the list. The description of the command is displays information about file in the current directory. Okay, so let's see how this command works. I am in the root directory. How can I say that? I can see the tilde sign over here. I just highlighted that. Yes, this one. If you can see this at your terminal, then you can say that you are in the root directory. So let's do ls. On the ls, we got to know we have some directories as desktop, downloads, pictures, template, videos, documents, music, public, test.txt, and yanking.txt. So it's not like we can just do these things like listing the files or directories. We can do so many things by using ls command. To see that, we'll just look at the ls man page. So here are all the options we can do with the ls man page. Right. For an example, we can see another command with the ls. So with the ls, we can say that to see the hidden files, we can say A, option A or -A. After entering that, we can see there are some files which are starting with the dot. If any file starts with the dot format, then it's a hidden file. You can't see directly those files, but by using ls-a, you can see those files. Okay, let's go to the next command, which is the pwd. Pwd means present working directory. It displays the current working directory. So as I've said that this is the root of localhost Suyash. Su Gaikawa is the username, and we are in the root of our user. So if we say that pwd, then yeah, home is like the uh, is the username. Su Gaikawa is the username, and home is its directory to operate. He can't. Su Gaikawa username can't operate in another directory beside this home. So he have some access to this directory only. He can do as much as things in this directory as he wants. So yeah, that's the PWD. Let's see the next command. The next command is mkdir, which is make directory. Mkdir, make directory. Command in Linux creates the directory. Very short and simple description, and that's what the command do. Mkdir. And if we want to say we want to create another directory as movies, then we can say as mkdir movies, and then we can use ls to see that. Yeah, here you can see that we have one movies directory over here. How we did that? Using mkdir command. Okay, so the next command is cd. Cd means change directory command in Linux. So the description is to navigate between different folders. Let's see that. We are in the root folder, which means the home. We are in the home right now. So we will say that cd movies. I press tab So it's for the auto completion. Uh, Most of the times, not most of the times, but mostly we want to type those things, but uh, because of the speed, or we are focusing on multiple things at the same time, will create some typo mistakes. So that's why this tab or autocomplete will save our time, as well as it will not have any typos. So let's go inside this movies. So we have entered inside the movies directory, like change directory to movies, and we are inside the movies. Good. Now is the rmdir command in the Linux. What is rmdir? Which means remove directory. So rmdir, which means the remove the directory from Linux, removes empty directories from the directory lists. So if we say that we want to remove this movies directory from my username, so we'll just go backwards by you typing change directory dot dot, which will go one step back in the home. So if we do ls, then we can see our movies directory. Okay, then we will type rmdir, which will which is rm, which means remove, and dir, which means directory. Remove directory, move mo, and I'll press tab to autocomplete, then movies. Yes. Now the movies directory is deleted.